Hello. So my computer camera was not working, so we're back on here. So we're gonna run the break on Instagram tonight. Here we go. All right, just wanted to send the chat. Okay, so we're gonna run the break tonight. So this is who is in it. So it is division. So we have 8 slots tonight. So let's get going on that. All right, so I'm just gonna give it a second and then you're gonna get going. So, how's everyone's week going? All right, I'm just sending the live to the people that are not here. I do know some of them are working, I think they said, so yes, I'm not sure, but all right, so we're gonna go ahead and get going at least with the randomizing part, so we can do this. All right, so I just put the divisions. So we have my typing thing is up. I can't even see my screen. All right, so we have the AFC North, South, East, and West, and then NFC North, South, East, and West. So there is 8 there, and again, we have 8 slots. What I will do is I will write it on here. Normally, I like to send a picture of this in the chat. So if I notice that someone comes in, I'll probably just kind of show them. If anyone is here and wants to write that in their little chat, they can, but that's how we're going to do it. So, all right, so let's go ahead and do our dice. All right, we got 4. So that's funny, we had 5 earlier, and then we had 6, so now we have 4. All different numbers. All right, so, all right, we got 1. We got, didn't click. We got, apparently it doesn't work. 2, 3, and one more is 4. So there are our divisions. So I'm going to go ahead and write those down. So I guess I can write what you guys are on the screen. All right, so we have AFC North, NFC North, AFC East, NFC South, AFC South. All of the things are like kind of the same. So I don't want to mess anything up. Misreading. Okay, number 6, we have AFC West. 7, NFC East. Oh, no, I don't even write. And then we have NFC West. So again, that's what we got going on. So 1, I have 1, 2 people are here. So you can screenshot that if you would like. Just gonna... Alright, so I guess I could just kind of leave it like that. Does that work? The paper is, like, with only 8 names, it's not as big, so... Alright, so we have 4 blasters to get through. Alright, so let's get going. I am excited. I'm very excited. I'm, like, overly excited. I'm not gonna lie. We need to... Oh, my goodness. The box won't open for me. Alright, so... we're gonna have to back this up. Camera's awful low. Alright. I am excited. I want to find... What are we looking for, guys? A downtown. I want to find a downtown, guys. I found on campus, and now I'm, like, on a mission. That, like, now I have to find a downtown. So, we are going to do that tonight. Alright, so good luck, everyone. I will download this and post it on YouTube. IG did bring back that feature. For a little while, they were not letting me download the videos, so I was getting a little irritated, but they brought it back. So good luck, and let's do this. So this also does have, it says unwrap 1 Holiday Blaster exclusive rookie holiday sweater memorabilia card. So there is an exclusive holiday card in here as well. Alright, so we got Andy Dalton. We got Gaskin, DJ Moore, Cam Akers. Ooh, we got Miles Jack backwards. So this must be I don't know. I know they have a couple different sets. Ooh, look at that. We got, let's see, we got Alvin Kamara, and then we got, ooh, this is something. That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. Joe Tyron and Kid Reporter. So if anyone wants the Kid Reporter cards, there's only a couple of you in the break. Just let me know. I know some of you guys don't like them, don't need them, so whatever works for you guys. Oh my gosh, what a first pack. Did you see that? Ooh, that was nice. Alright, so let's keep it going. We look for Mac Jones. Let's find some Mac Jones. Alright, let's see. We got Singletary, Mares, Hurst, and Allen. Oh, we got another backwards. We got DJ Shark. Got Josh Jacobs. Ooh, with the mask. That's part of the mask. That is one of the sets. And then we got our rated rookie here, Kitty. Alright. I'm liking it, guys. I'm liking it. So how's everyone doing? How's your week going? Who's your favorite football player? We got Dobbins. Oh, Naomi turned over. Diggs. Oh, they said do it again. JJ Watt. Oh, wow. Ridley. And then we got Savage Jr. Ooh, Jonathan Taylor. Just ran a nice raffle on him. Got a few more cards. Ooh, we got Jamar Chase. We got Sneed and nice. It's a nice one right here. Jamar Chase and Kid Reporter. All right. Got a lot of cards in the Donruss boxes, which is nice. So lots and lots of opportunity to hit some nice cards. So let's see. We got Henry. We got Austin, Curtis Samuel, Peyton Manning. We got Aaron Donald with the backwards. Ooh, I like that. Ooh, that's a rookie one too. Aaron Donald. And ooh, we got Pat Fairmouth. And this is going to be our holiday sweater card for this blaster. Nice. Let's finish. I will pull that back on the screen in 1 second. And Sam Unger. Alright, so I want to look really quick again at that patch. And again, the back. The back is nice. I like that. That's nice. Alright, so keeping it going. Oh, my chat was totally rolled up. I didn't even see some of what you guys were saying. All right. So let's see. We got Adams. I hate when my screen rolls up because if you don't have it at the very bottom, you don't see anything. All right. So we got Crosby. Just making sure I checked that real quick. We got Watson. We got, Travis Kelce. With, I see a Kyler Murray. Can't go wrong there. Let's see. There we go. Nice. And Peyton Turner. Kid Reporter. At the end. All right. Keeping it going. Where is he, guys? So what are you looking for from the teams you got? Who is it that you want me to pull for you here? Got Russell Wilson, Gordon. Hello. How you guys doing tonight? Hello. We got Adrian Peterson. And then we got, Chase Claypool, the backwards. Nice. And then we got, McCaffrey. That looks like a nice card right there. McCaffrey. And then we got, Arizona Defender has a monster day and homecoming. There we go. Like that. Little highlights card. And Marquez Stevenson. Hello. Lots of packs and chronicles. I'm gonna keep it going. Keeping it going. Alright, let's see. Joe Montana. John Elway. Michael Thomas. DeAndre Swift. And we got Cup. Terry Bradshaw with the backwards. We got, Aaron Rodgers with the backwards. With his mask there. Nice. And then let's see. We got Travis Estienne. I don't know. Someone taught me how to say his name last time. I totally forget again. They gave me some nice phonetics. Go with the phonetics. Totally forget how to say it though. That's okay. Hello. Alright, so let's keeping it going. Saquon Barkley, Josh Allen, Cam Newton, Julio Jones. Too many cards coming with me. Phillip Rivers. And then we got, backwards here, Ben Roethlisberger. Look at that. Alright, First here. Roethlisberger. And then we got Dominators here. Look at, ooh, Justin Jefferson. That's a nice one. With McMath. I don't know why I'm trying to read upside down, but I'm just going to flip it over anyway. But nice. Ooh, that is a nice Justin Jefferson. We like that. Got some nice cards in this box so far. Alright, let's see. Dalvin Cook. Patrick. Carson Wentz. We got, ooh, Justin Herbert. Second year and backwards. Here we go. Aaron Jones. I don't know too much about this, but I just kind of figure if something's backwards, I should probably look into it. Nothing much. How you doing? Then we got a mask here. George Kittle. And then, let's see. We got, Wallace here. Rated rookie with Kid Reporter. All right, 2 more, and then we'll be hitting the next blaster. It is going good. It's going good. How? Oh. All right, I don't know. We got hit with two backwards side. I don't know. I guess we're just going to go for it. We got Justin Herbert. Oh, again. Aaron Jones. Wow, is this like the same pack? Aaron Jones again. Oh, no. Here we go. George Kittle. Oh, it is not. We have not gotten... Wow, I should have just started from the other side because now I'm turning every card over. We got Zamarcus Lawrence. Russell Wilson. Ooh, there we go. We got a mask on there. We got Amari Cooper. And we got blue here. We got a blue. And it is Matthew Stafford. With our rated rookie being Micah Parsons. Wow, that pack was really all sorts over the place. They had me turning every card over. They like to do that, you know. They like to throw a little obstacle in there for you. But that's okay. I like to think that means there's something great coming, you know. They're throwing an obstacle for me then. They better be giving me something good, you know. They're gonna. I know it. Let's see. Got Diggs, Derek Carr, Sherman, Javon Carsey. Hello. How you guys doing? Ingram. And then, we got it backwards here. DeMarcus Lawrence. Russell Wilson. And again with the mask. We got some Kid Reporter in the back. But let's see. We got Darden. We got Jalen Darden. Does anyone like the Kid Reporters? You guys like the Kid Reporters? I have. Alright, so we on to, and again, that is the teams if you did not see. Alright. Box number 2. And we are still looking we are looking not to break a nail and to open the blaster box appropriately. Alright. Hello. Sometimes I get a little, excited, open the blaster boxes, Alright. We are on number 2. So, No, I have not. Didn't break a nail. I did do that one time on a live, but it was at the very end, so I was very smooth, and I managed to, keep my hand in the back there. But, yeah, if you like the kid reporters, let me know. I have, so I'll let you know if anyone from this break doesn't want them, but I definitely have some of my own that I do not use. So if you use them, just send me a message so I don't forget. But I will definitely put them aside because I have a bunch and I definitely do not use them. So, all right, let's see. Let's continue this. We got Poyer, McCourty, Winston, T. Higgins, James Robinson, backwards. Yes, Saquon Barkley, backwards. And we got Sam again here, Ellinger. Alright. Yeah, definitely do, because I don't want to forget, because I definitely have some. What do you do with them? I've never really done anything with them. We got Tucker, Randy Moss, Dan Marino. We got pulling too many cards. Jeremy Chin. We got, let's see, Marquez here. Nice. Ooh, we got Tom Brady. We like that. We like that. Brett Favre. And Peyton Turner. Peyton Turner. But I think it was, by the way. I think we did really good the day that I broke my nail, to be honest. But let's not go breaking nails, that's pretty wild. Alright. Alexander, Drew Lock. We got Robert Woods. We got a lot of cards. So. We got Foy. Oh, awesome. Well, I'm glad he gets use out of him. We got Derwin. We got Randy Moss. We got Michael Carter with the patch. Michael Carter for the Jets. And Marquez at the end. Alright, so let's take another look at that patch here. Ooh, look at that. We like that there. That is nice. That is nice. All right. Those are cool. I like those. And it's cool because it's different from, other Donruss patches. So, oh my goodness. This is going to be a good pack, guys. You know why? It don't want to open for me. Whenever something don't want to open for me. Oh my gosh, wow. This is like taking it to a whole new level. Instead, we going at it a whole different way. Alright. Alright, we got Jimmy G. Odell Beckham. We got Travis. We got, let's see, we got Christian Kirk. We got Darius Leonard. We got Tyreek Hill. Lamar Jackson. And, we got Travis again here. Again, the mask. And Kid Reporter. How you guys feel about Travis here? You guys like Travis? You guys like besides, there can't be, there's got to be someone from each division that we looking for, Alright, let's see. Something good here, Let's see. All right, we got Robinson. We got Engram. Oh, no, that's not good. We got Kamara. Bates. And then we got, let's see, Fitzpatrick. Backwards. We got Adams with the backwards. Ooh! Look at this. That is gorgeous. And McMath at the end. Oh my goodness. That's so short. Alright, let's see. Keeping it going. Wow. It's gotta be something they trying to. I swear Panini be using the extra glue. They gotta, keep the cards safe. Alright, let's see. White. Oh, James White, different one. Fuller V, the 5th. Joe Mixon. Gaskin. And then we got TJ Watt. They're backwards here. Odell Beckham. With our backwards here. And we got Wallace. All right. All right, we got Lamar Jackson, Justin Jefferson, Samuel. We got DJ Moore, Sam Ankers. We got Cole here. Ooh, we got something nice. Ooh, Dominators. There we go. That was the Cole there. Ooh, and we got Micah Parsons. I like the shiny, guys. I like the shiny. We got a lot of nice cards here in the Donruss. All right. Let's see. We got Vernon. We got hello. We got Fletcher here. All right, I'm going to move this because I think it's picking up the writing. I don't know. Driving me nuts. All right, we got Hurst, Ian Allen, John Elway, backwards. And we got Crowder, Patrick Mahomes. Ooh, with the mask. And Darden. Ooh, with the kid report at the end. Anyone who's in the break, make sure you send me your addresses after. I definitely don't have all of them. Also, I do have a couple other breaks up right now. I have 2 basketball and a baseball. So if you want in on any of those and you would like me to hold your cards so that you don't have to pay shipping more than once, let me know. All right, so I guess we start with backwards card and end with backwards card again. All right. I don't know. I really don't want to flip over every card, so I think we're going to go the other way this time. All right, we're just going to go for it. Oh, they're going to do it to me either way, aren't they? Oh, my goodness. Let's see. We got Owen here. We got a rookie. We got Derrick Henry. Ooh, look at that. The blue, we like that. We like that. Derrick Henry. We got Brett Favre. Tom Brady. We got Marquez. We like that. Nice. Saquon Barkley. James Robinson. I am glad I went this way, though, because that would have been a lot of cards to turn over. And Drew Brees. That was a nice one. That was a nice one there. Nice one to pull on the blue. Alright, so let's see. Keeping it going. We got a couple packs here, and we got 2. Oh, what did you miss? Alright, hold on. Before I open this pack, let me just show you real quick. Right here. So, alright. So we are 1 blaster box down. This is blaster box 2, where you have 2 packs left. And then we have 2 more. Hunt, Sanders, Dalton, J.J. Watt. Hello, hello. We got my screen. Don't want to scroll down, so it's making me delete this. All right. We got Ridley, Gallup, Ezekiel Elliott, and Rodgers. Get a border at the end. All right. Last one of this one, guys, and then we have 2 more boxes. All right, guys, let's see something nice. Let's see it. We got Hicks. We got Jonathan Taylor. We got Kerrigan. Jared Goff. I'm doing good. How you doing? How are you doing tonight? How have you been? We got Mark Brunell. We got Drew Brees. Ooh. And we got Wallace with, ooh, look at that again. That is just gorgeous. And, ooh, Jamar Chase, not bad. We like that as well. With Kid Reporter at the end. Ooh, this Wallace is nice. How you guys feel about Wallace here? You guys like Wallace? Alright, so we're going to be on blaster box number 3 out of 4. We're on number 3 out of 4. Alright. Then we got 1 more left. Alright. I don't know why my camera is like angled so down today. But I guess we can't push the packs back because then they disappear on me. Alright. So hello. See a bunch of people jumped in here. How you guys all doing? Nice to see you guys stop by. Alright. Yeah, we're going to have to push you back a little. It's It's not working for me. There we go. Alright, let's see it. We got Carson, Jerry Judy, Cunningham, Derrick Henry, nice. Hello. We got Corey Davis with the backwards here. Peyton Manning. And we got Jeremiah here. Ooh, as well with that nice looking rated rookie. Ooh. And we got Tooney with the kid reporter at the end. All right. Lots and lots of cards in these packs, and we love it. Alright, let's see. We got Graham, Mayfield. We got Hawkinson, Manuel, Trey Hendrickson. Just almost totally said that wrong. Oh, we got Clyde here, Clyde Edwards. We got DeAndre Hopkins, and we got Granson. We got Kellen Granson. Hello. All right, let's see. Barber, Edmonds, Nelson Ingler, Tuba, Sam Darnold. Oh, we got Tom Brady again. Can't go wrong with Tom Brady ever. Can never go wrong with the Tom Brady. Oh, with his guy Gronk here. Oh, with his mask. And we got Brown with the rated rookie and kid reporter. Alright, we got Patrick Queen, Ham, Kenneth Murray. We got Joe Schwarber backwards here. Oh, we got Mr. Ruggs. We got Griffin and Javonte Williams with the patch. Javonte Williams, and we got Leatherwood in the back. So let's see. We got Javonte Williams. Ooh, look at that. I like it. I'm digging these little snow globe cards. At least they're different, you know. They're different than the other patches, which I like. I don't know. I'm liking them, guys. Alright. Keeping it going. Where are you, Mac Jones? This is like a personal hunt, you know. But, you know. Alright. Let's see. We got Fournette, Abram, Fitzgerald, Ty Hilton, Antonio Gibson. Then we got Travis Kelce with the backwards. Let's see it here. And Darius. Zadarius Smith with Felton at the end. Ooh, I like it. And kid reporter. It's good they always end on a rookie, you know. Well, besides the kid reporter. But. Oh, this one don't want to open, guys. Metcalf. We got Landry. Got Cooks. A.J. Brown. We got Tua with the backwards. Oh, Aaron Rodgers. Ooh, Tua here with his mask. We got Aaron Rodgers. Oh, the champ is here. Look at that. Devin White. Devin White with the champ is here. And, ooh, here we go. We got our guy, Trevor Lawrence. There we go. Happy with that. Happy with that. Okay. That is nice. That is nice. All smiles over here, guys. All smiles over here. What we like to see. Trevor Lawrence. All right, let's see. We got Rigor. Quan Smith. Chad Johnson. Xavier Howard. We got Metcalf with the backwards. Ooh, look at that. That's pretty sweet. His hair even matches his uniform. Look at that. He took it to a whole new level. All right, we got Jalen Smith. I like it. I actually really like their uniforms. So it's cool. Oh, Julio Jones and Kyle Pitts. So let's see. Julio Jones. Oh, again with his mask. Kyle Pitts. That's a nice one. Alright, let's continue here. Oh, Lawrence Taylor. Cole Beasley. Brian Burns. Johnny Hecker. Then we got Johnson backwards. And Joe Burrow. Ooh, look at this. Action. Ooh. TJ Watt. Look at and Khalil Herbert. Mac Jones next. Let's see. I like where your mind is at. Let's get right to that. Mac Jones. Let's get him. I like when you talk it up in the chat. You know, you gotta tell me who we looking for. It's like we on a mission, you know. Alright, let's see. We got Gilmore, Marquise Brown, Harrison Smith, Mac Jones, Lance, or Wilson. Here we see progress. We just made so much progress. Mike Williams. We got James Conner. Let's see which one we gonna find. Which one? We got Baker Mayfield. And it's because I already had the pack open. Ooh, that's nice. If it would come into focus for me. There we go. And Kid Reporter. We got Dwayne here. Alright, we got two more. And then we got a whole nother box. So let's see. Mac Jones, Lance, or Wilson. This one's going to be good. Let's see something. Let's see. Oh, yep. See, this is how you know it's going to be good. They're making us do one of these again. From the side. We got Mike Evans, Darren Waller, or Justin Fields. Okay, see, I like it. We adding on to the list here. We got Marcus May. And Barry Sanders. Yo, they definitely did. And then, we got a nice blonde name there. Denzel Mims. I used to say that all the time. All right. And, we got two here. Nice. So we got Tucker here. And then this one is a copper, I guess. Smith Marset. All right, one more. All right, let's see it. Sun nice here, sun nice. George Kittle, Miles Garrett, Michael Pittman Jr. Oh, see cards run away. McLaurin. Hello, David Johnson. We got Leonard here backwards. Let's see him. Nope, no mask there. We got Daniel here and Jacob Harris at the back with some kid reporter. All right, so let's see. We got one more box here. Let's see some Mac Jones. What we say? Justin Fields. Trey Lance. All right, let's see. Let's see who we can get here. Maybe we'll even get a sweater. That would be cool. That would be cool. All right, let's see it. Some nice cards here in the Donruss. Hello. All right, last box, guys. And good luck. How you doing? We got Mark Andrews, Patrick Peterson, Robert Woods. We got Foy, DeAndre Swift, Kyle Long. Yeah, Jalen Ramsey. And we get Felton with the rookie. Hello. How you doing? I did have a nice Thanksgiving. How was your Thanksgiving? We got Chris Goodwin. We got Ruggs. Chris Carson. Mike here. Adrian Peterson. We got Spencer Adams. We got Joe Montana. Nice. And we got Trey McKitty. Got a lot of kid reporters too. Oh my goodness. Kid reporter pile is unreal. Alright, let's see it. Alright, we got Jerry Jeudy. We got Graham. I don't know. We got Thomas. DeAndre Swift. And Smith with the backwards. Ooh, we got some nice back there. We got TJ Watt. And we got Howell. Look at that. Ooh. It's probably the Christmas colors. And, ooh, Jamar Chase again. Jamar Chase. Not bad. Not a bad one there. How was everybody's Thanksgiving? You guys all have a good Thanksgiving? I know. Alright, let's see. Baker Mayfield, Tiki Barber. Right? Cook. Julio Jones. Yep, so 4 blasters. We had a break. We got CD Lamb. Justin Jefferson. Oh, we got Sam again, too. I think we got a Sam. Sam Ellinger. And we got his sweater. Oh, did you at least... I mean, not that that's always fun when they lose, but did you have a good time at least? Did you go with, like, fun people? Oh my goodness, I can't. So right now I'm just running a break, but I can tell you I do have some UFC Chronicles. I have some soccer. I got some baseball. And then I have a couple breaks up right now. We got Edmonds, Nelson Ingor. We got Patrick Queen. Oh, Ryan Fitzpatrick. Hold on. Wentz. Patrick Mahomes. Gotta be quick. I gotta plug in my phone. Khalil Mack. And... oh, Peyton Turner. Alright, guys. Give me 1 second. I just did not even plug in my phone because I was not expecting to run the break, but my phone just told me it was on 15%. So, alright, there we go. Sorry. Alright, had to plug in the phone. We didn't want to die out on us with the last little packs here. Of course. See, you took your dad. Good. See, that's what I like to hear. You took your dad. You guys had a blast. That's what it's all about. That's what it's all about. That's what I like to hear. Well, I'm glad you guys had a good time. All right, let's see this one. We got Ham. Fournette. We got Carse. We got Juju Smith. Von Miller. We got Joe Namath. And we got Travis Steen Jr. with Stephenson. Got a couple of him. Alright, so I guess I'll try to go upside down there. And then the last one was Kid Reporter. So let's see. Ooh. That's nice. That is nice. Little double color there. You can see in the lights. That is cool. Oh, upside down. I just like the holiday back. I think it's cool. Hello. All right, let's see. Well, did you have fun while you were visiting in New York? While you were there? Even if it wasn't as long as, as you wanted. You had fun while you were there, at least. That's the important part. DJ McCaff, Mark Ingram, Tannehill, Barry Sanders. Then we got Ezekiel Elliott backwards. Corey Davis. And, we got Steen again. There we go. Always. See, that's what I like to hear. That's the important part. All right, where is Mac Jones hiding? Oh, my goodness. I really wanted to see Mac Jones come out today, so let's do it. All right, we got Landry, Jalen Rigor, Raquan Smith. And we got Hill, Peyton Manning backwards. We got Clyde Edwards. Ooh, is that Wallace again? look at that. And, wow, we're getting a lot of the same players. A lot of the same players. We got him. Let's see, make math. We got him before. All right, we got a couple packs left, guys. Couple packs left. Alright, we got Lawrence Taylor, Cole Beasley, Christian McCaffrey, Jalen Ramsey, DeAndre Hopkins. Oh, we got Brady again. We got Gronk. And, oh, wow, Wallace again with mask. Wallace again. Lots of Wallace today. How we feel about Wallace? 1 to 10. 1 to 10. Alright, let's see. We got Gilmore, Marquise Brown, Matt Ryan, Justin Herbert, nice. Oh no, we got Joe here. We got Ruggs. We got, look at that. Waddle. That is a nice pull. We like this. I like this. We definitely like this. We got Micah Parsons. Woo, that is nice. We like that. We like that. All right. Last pack, guys. Last pack. And good luck. And again, I'm going to be packing up the cards anyway. So if you would like me to hold them and not mail them out, if you would like to be in on a different break and save on shipping, let me know. If not, they will be packaged up. So either way, make sure you send me your addresses as well. In a DM, of course. Okay? Alright, so let's see. Let's give this last pack a go. We got Mike. Oh, my goodness, I want away from the... I don't want to focus for me. Wow, this is like... Alright, here we go. Evans. Waller. Bostic. Hopefully, let's see it. Phil Lindsay. Then we got Griffin. Kelsey. And Darden. So there we go. That was 4 blasters. And that is the end of the break. So I know someone did ask about personals. You can let me know. I do need to jump off because I need to make sure I jump off and save the live. Anytime. But I hope you guys had an amazing night, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.